Alright guys, how's it going? Motovlogger here again, back with another video. And it's so cold today. I missed all the lovely weather. I was busy doing adult stuff and I missed all the beautiful sun. Now it was still sunny, but it was like 17 degrees the other day, and now it's like 7 or 8 degrees. Oh, was that cab? There's a cab unit in Drogheda. Jesus, they're the ones that you see that do all the house invasions. Is that the correct word? The house searches and seizures and stuff like that. Didn't know there was a cab unit here. And anyway guys, I hope we're all doing well, and like always I hope we're enjoying the lockdown. It's okay guys, it's like the 5th today, 5th or 6th of April, and in either 3 or 4 more days we can now travel legally within our county. Yay! And I just happen to live in the smallest county. Yeah, you beauty, yeah. But I'm okay with that because we do have some beautiful roads around here, so just in time for the weather to pick up and be beautiful. And hopefully, I'm hoping in May I can do a track day. We're all trying to get one, like me, the Gorilla Biker. I think Grant is trying to get one, my mate David, my mate Rob. So that should be deadly if we can all get a date, or if we can all get a booking. Be class. I really need to go up to Ronan, see if I need new tyres, because my tyres are still scorched like fuck from all the track days I done last year. So I don't know, is it like, do I need new ones or are they fine? There's loads of tread left in it, but you know, it's all about them heat cycles, baby. I think they should be fine. Like, they're road tires, so they're, you know, designed to get like a lot of heat into them and cool down, a lot of heat and cool down. Oh, that was close. Go on, you fucking idiot. Some weird weather front or wind front or whatever you call it coming over Ireland, and we're meant to get like sun, which we are now, wind, which we're definitely getting, really cold wind. We're meant to get like rain, sleet and snow, and it's like we're getting all the seasons in one, which is quite normal for Ireland, but it's just funny to think it's like one airflow that's doing it. As long as I don't get caught in any rain, I'm fine, because I'm not very waterproof, and if it's going to be rain that's bringing like sleet and cold weather, it's going to be freezing. I don't want to deal with that. I don't think Mr. Drag will want to hear me complain. I'm like a disparate, as I keep saying. Put in the water and I fizz away. It's annoying now where I live is that I have to go through the town to get out of the town, because that makes loads of sense. Not where you want the wheels to lift up when you're coming around a bend. I also am trying to store bar end mirrors, because folding these mirrors in and out, like as I'm using this part, you can probably see my little paint. My paint's there so I know where to put it, but I'm always wrong. So yeah, bar end mirrors, I can fold them in, and I don't have to worry about folding these mirrors in and breaking them, because that's what's already happening. I think it's the left one. Yeah, the left one is the one I didn't replace, and that's all getting floppy in certain areas, like most men. Yeah, beauty. But now that we're slowly coming out of lockdown restrictions, this spin that I kept going on about with me, what will Grant do, and the Gorilla Biker, is looking more and more likely to happen, and soon as well. And I'm really excited because it's going to be good. We have no plans because we can't plan anything, but yeah, we just want to go away somewhere for like a weekend or for a night, just spin around, do granddad spins, because you know I don't really do the main reason I don't like going out for spins is because I don't really like riding with other people, because I don't like people trying to keep up. I'm not saying I go around flying around everywhere, but I don't like the responsibility. It's the easy way to say it. I don't like the responsibility of people that might like try to keep up with me if I'm going out on a spin. and for them to go on roads that they don't know, or even roads I don't know, when something happened to any of us. So I'm excited to go away. And actually, like, I've never been, I think he was saying Donegal on the bike. I've never been to Donegal on the bike before, so that is the plan. So hopefully that can happen like soon. I'm hoping within kind of maybe the next 2 months, especially when the weather's nice. But to be honest, I don't really give a fuck where we go. But what's happening now, which is so fucking annoying, is that we have a bit of nice weather like we've had over the last kind of week. Like 17 degrees in March and April is very unheard of here in Ireland. Sunny skies, like it was glorious. It was so nice. The wheelie over. Oh, you beauty, yeah. But everyone just gets together like nothing's happening, like that we're not in a lockdown, there's no such thing as a pandemic. And it's just annoying because I know, like, we're all pissed off, we're all fed up. Look, I've been working from home for over a year. As much as I love work from home, it's because of all this that I have to work from home. I can't see people. Like, I didn't mention it in the video, but like, my auntie died about 3 weeks ago with cancer. I haven't seen her since she got her diagnosis, and I was able to go up to the funeral, but I wasn't able to attend it. I had to stand outside. No one can say, oh, I just don't understand. It's like, yeah, I couldn't even say goodbye to my auntie with it, you know. And unfortunately, that's just what has to happen, because I rather not see her and then give it to her, and that she died prematurely, you know. And that's my responsibility. So yeah, that was a bit too deep for everyone, but yeah. I just can't wait for this shit to be over, and that we can go back to some sort of normality and go out and enjoy ourselves. Just can't wait to go out and not have to worry. Like, even now, like, I'm going up to my mum like I do on like every weekend, and it's still like, you know, I can still get stopped by a guard and get turned around, even though I'm like legally going up to see my mum. You know, at least in a few days I won't have to worry about that, and then when we can start traveling around the country a bit more freely, you know, it's, the fear of that shit is gone. And yeah, I'm excited for the summer, because I'm just hoping we stick at a steady pace, because this is what I was trying to get into before I got off of my rant. But people have been you know, coming together like nothing's fucking happened, and it's like, that's going to set us back even more. And it's like the videos that we've seen of the groups in, if anyone's in Dublin, of Stephen's Green, like, it's a fucking joke. Yeah, I'm just hoping that we don't go into another lockdown, because unfortunately that's what's going to happen. He's going 2 miles an hour in the whole thing. Around the whole area. My floppy mirror keeps flopping. So I wanted to say thank you to everyone who joined the live stream, and for those who couldn't make it and watched it after. I actually had a lot of fun doing it. I think it was successful. There was no audio or technical, I should just say, there was no technical issues, thankfully. My camera did die at one point, but I was kind of getting ready to wrap up. It was about 2.5 hours, which was a lot longer than I thought. So yeah, thank you all for joining. I do actually want to say a shout out to Zed. He's commented a lot on my videos, and he stayed for the entire thing and asked questions and gave feedback, and he wasn't the only one. But I do want to say thanks to him, because, you know, all that interaction is what I wanted. I wanted people to be asking questions. Like, for the first like 40 minutes or so, I just went through like chat, like live chat, which was amazing to be able to do. So I do want to say thanks, and hopefully if I do another one, hopefully even more of you guys come and we get even more chat going. And yeah, it was great, it was really fun. Really good to do. And then also thanks for the Grilla Biker and What Would Grant Do to who came and just had a quick chat. Like, as I said, I didn't have anything planned. I just wanted them on just for a little bit of variety, just have a chat to Michael about his Gixxer mainly, and Grant, just because Grant is Grant. Grant has to be part of it, He's part of the trio. So yeah, I just wanted to catch up with everyone. So yeah, it was great. It was really fun. I enjoyed it. If you guys weren't able to make it and you want to see the video is on my channel. The full live stream is there. I don't know what time it actually starts at. I think it starts around maybe the 7 or 8 minute mark, because I was waiting for people to come in. Because you know, when you say, like, I had it set for 5 o'clock, but you know, people are finishing off stuff at 5. So yeah, it was good. It was great. And those clouds do not look happy. And also guys, if you haven't joined my Discord, link is in the description. Please feel free to join. We have a good few people there, and there's always a good bit of chatting going between us, which is great. So yeah, come join. It's free and fun. What more could you want? Oh my god, it's so windy. But I think I'm actually going to end the video here. Just coming on the back roads. Look at the beautiful scenery. But it's just getting so windy now. And I'm just going to turn up my music and relax, and hopefully miss all this rain that looks like it's coming. But anyway guys, look, that is the video. I hope all of you enjoyed. Again, thanks for those who came to the live stream. Hopefully I see you guys whenever I do another one. Please join the Discord, follow me on my Instagram. You know the story at this stage. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to you in the next video.